Today, I'm showing you how to take screenshot in Windows 11. To take a screenshot in Windows 11, do this. Go to the Start menu and type Snipping Tool and hit Enter. Make sure that Snip is selected. Now click on New. Here, you can select 4 different modes. First, we have the rectangular mode. You can select a 4-sided area to take a screenshot with. By default, your screenshots should automatically be saved. Otherwise, you could manually save it. Secondly, we have Freeform mode to take screenshots with. Here you can cut out any shape to take a screenshot with, like a lasso. Next, we have the window mode, where you can take a perfect screenshot of a window. Click on the window to take a screenshot of it. The last mode is the Fullscreen mode to take screenshots on Windows 11. This mode simply takes a screenshot of your monitors. As you can see, I have 2 monitors. The Snipping Tool has tools such as annotation, cropping, and text reading. Now that I've given you a good understanding of the Snipping Tool, please like, subscribe, and comment something to boost this video. Thank you so much for watching.